Oh, Judge, you staying busy these days?
Yeah, we just got out of court about 30 minutes ago at tops. Yeah, might have been I think about 30 minutes of 30 minutes ago.
This is my copy. I'll make a copy, but yeah, I don't think anybody else is gonna be here. We also set today, Your Honor, a motion to compel discovery responses.
Mhm.
And I didn't know if you've been,
I think it's hold on a minute. Let me
it's
look.
on the docket.
Yeah, let me look at the okay.
And
Let's
it is your copy of the motion.
okay.
And this is and that's the rule that gives us the right for discovery.
There we go.
Morning, Mr. Judge.
Okay. This is the court is in session in the bond forfeiture docket on today's date of November 12th, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. in County Court Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. State, are you ready to proceed?
We are, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Thank you. Your Honor, the state would request that the court take judicial notice of the court's bond forfeiture docket scheduled for today's date.
Okay, the court will take judicial notice of the bond forfeiture docket scheduled for today's date.
And the state would request that the court take judicial notice of the court's file for both the underlying criminal case and for the judgment Nisi case for each one of the case judgment Nisi's listed.
The court would take judicial notice of both the criminal file as well as the judgment Nisi's file in both the criminal case and the civil case.
And we would ask that the court enter judgment accordingly.
Judgment shall be entered accordingly.
And we have written judgments for those three cases on bond forfeiture.
Okay, the court will sign these motions.
Next, Your Honor, the state has filed a motion to compel against Brianna Best and Nikki Robinson, DBA, Nikki bail bonds, for post-judgment discovery. In this particular case, we've got a judgment outstanding against those two individuals for bond forfeitures. We sent out discovery, which is attached to the motion to compel, both interrogatories and requests for productions, seeking to find the assets for these two individuals so that we might execute on them. Particularly, as the court is well aware, there's the provision in the bond that are being signed by the bond person that where they swear that they're worth at least twice the amount of the bond that they are signing. And so we're trying to find out where is that money that you said that you're worth twice the amount of the bond. And so anyway, they have 30 days to respond to it. We sent that to them. Those written discoveries. I think I got a date on here. Part of a motion to compel. I don't have the date in front of me, but it was more than 45 days ago, Your Honor, that we sent the interrogatories and the request for production to them. It was September 29th is when we sent our discovery to them. And we've received no response, no objections, nothing. And so we're requesting that the court enter an order to compel and direct that they respond fully to the discovery request by, and I would suggest, but it's up to the court's discretion, I would suggest a week from today. This is the proposed order that we have on the motion to compel, but we've left the time period blank for them to, for you to fill in on how long they have to go ahead and fully respond to the discovery, or we'll be back here again for a motion for contempt.
And you say you want a week?
Yes. Well, they've already had 30 days, Your Honor. I mean, that's the normal you have 30 days to respond to interrogatories and requests for production.
All right,
And so they've already had the 30 days, which in fact, actually they've had more like 45 days as we stand here today. And so another week, give them notice of the court's order and tell them you got to get it to us. So
Okay.
that's, but it's up to the court on that time period.
yeah, I was looking at a calendar.
Today is the 12th.
Yeah, I was thinking about giving them, let's see,
Okay.
12, 26.
Calendar, today's the 12th. A week from today would be the 19th. 2 weeks would be that's the 26th.
That's right, that's that,
Just before Thanksgiving.
yeah, which is,
Yeah, there's nobody gonna be around.
no, I was thinking about giving them that, to the Monday after Thanksgiving.
Okay, that would be fine. I mean, that
What date is that?
that would be December 1st.
December 1st.
Yeah. And then, like I said, then hopefully they will respond. And if they don't, then we'll file a motion for contempt.
Okay, I'm just signing the order.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. I will get that in a moment and we will make sure that they've got a copy. They should get a copy electronically when the court files it, but
Yeah, I just need this here. That's what you had, that was your.
oh, yes, that is the motion, Your Honor. All right, may I be excused?
Yes, you may be excused and you have a
Thank you.
blessed day.
You too.
Okay, this will conclude the calling of the court's bond forfeiture docket on today's date, November 12th, 2025. In County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.